Okay, hey guys, welcome to Always Alyssa and
Ellie.
And today we're going to do a video, but it's a good video. Keep watching. Do you guys remember that BFF Sleepover we did a super long time ago?
It's gonna be 6 years in like May, I think.
I know, practically 6 years ago, when we were very little, very tiny, very short, and we're gonna reenact that video and react to it today. So we're gonna watch it, and we're just gonna watch it again because I haven't watched it for a while.
It'll be a little embarrassing and a little funny.
I know, it looks so funny. So we're gonna watch that, and we're even gonna reenact some scenes. So I have my iPad right here. We're about to press play and watch it, and I'm excited. And in the video, we had matching pajamas, and we have matching things right here too. So that's pretty exciting. Okay.
Still the same.
Yeah, still the same. We like to match. Okay, here we go. We're gonna watch it. Are you ready?
I think so.
Press play in 3, 2, 1.
Hi, Ellie! I can't wait for our sleepover. I missed you.
Oh my gosh!
Why didn't I say hi back?
We didn't even do anything. You just walked in. I was like, hi, Ellie. You were like, and then I didn't know what to do, so I like didn't even shut the door behind you.
No, you were just like, I see.
I know. I was like hugging you when you were like going down. Like, what am I doing?
I didn't know how to put my stuff down or hug you.
So now we're going to reenact it. So we have our door right there, so might as well do it right there. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. I missed you. Sleepover. I just realized this video doesn't even have music. That's how old it is. Well, that was interesting, but now we're gonna watch the next scene. Okay, I'm scared.
Hi guys, it's Alyssa.
Okay, so all we do is just jump on the bed? What?
That wasn't that bad.
Oh my gosh, look at my Beanie Boos. We still have that pillowcase. That's crazy. That's so funny. Okay, let's reenact that bed scene. That was funny. I'm gonna first play on the next scene, and then we're gonna reenact that one too. Okay, let's see.
Hi guys, it's Alyssa, and this is one of my best friends, Ellie. Hi. Tonight we're gonna have a sleepover.
Oh my gosh.
And we're gonna show you how to have a super fun time.
Oh my gosh! That was so funny.
I really
We have to reenact that. Here, ready? Ready?
Okay.
Come on. Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and this is one of my best friends, Ellie. Hi. Tonight we're gonna have a sleepover, and we're gonna show you how to have a super fun time.
Dress up and play in cool costumes.
Oh my gosh, we said dress up and play in cool costumes. Oh my gosh. Dress up in cool costumes and have a really fun time. Okay, we're gonna watch the next scene now. Continuing with the dance party. It's so funny, look at your necklace.
We might need
Oh
the
my
boys' help
God.
for this one. It was so funny because we didn't even close the door, so David had to.
I know. We have to reenact that. That was so funny. We're like, hide from the boys. You're standing there, and suddenly you're in.
Yeah, and then when we were in the closet, I think I like yelled really loud. I was like, close the door! But then David closed it.
Oh my god. Hide from the boys. That was pretty funny. Now we're gonna watch the next scene.
I'm gonna choke you. Be sure to get best friend matching pajamas. Aren't these so cute? I know that. I love
I
the
still
one
have
fit.
that nightstand. Oh my gosh.
Same one back there.
That's crazy. Okay, so we're like, ooh, and then,
And then we were really awkward and we were like,
okay, let's do that. Ready?
stumble on
Come on,
it,
come on, come on. Ready? And you have to get best friend matching pajamas.
Aren't these so cute?
I know. I love Hawaiian print. I'm getting kind of sweaty in these jackets. I might actually have to take mine off. I'm gonna watch the next scene.
Remember to spend some time singing together.
Okay, so
thumbs up.
that's so funny.
to.
I said, remember to spend some time singing together, and I start playing, and then we both start singing, and Chris says, thumbs up. That's so cute. Make sure to spend some time singing together. Thumbs up. All my life has been a series of doors in my face. watch the next part of our video. I think that was pretty fun to do. Okay, let's see.
Spend time with girl stuff, like doing each other's hair.
Oh my gosh, you still have
I'm gonna
that
make a
for-
ponytail in her hair.
You tried
my
to make
gosh.
a ponytail in my hair, but my hair was
so
like
funny. Spend time doing each other's hair. I'm gonna make a ponytail in her hair. It was so awkward when I was like making the ponytail in the video. I was just like, because the hair was
Let's
so
do some
short.
videos together.
Oh my gosh, we said watch YouTube videos together. I remember the video we watched. Oh my
It was
god.
Kristen's acting magic.
That's so funny.
Wanna have a pillow fight?
You get to have a pillow fight.
You trapped me in that pillow fight.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
So hard.
Oh my god. That's so funny. Oh my god. Now we're gonna watch it but in slow-mo because it'll be more funny. So first let me go to that part.
Wanna have a pillow fight?
It's so
I was
funny.
absolutely like. Do you see my face? Oh my god. I was like.
I missed it.
Oh my gosh, I'm unbelievable. I was like,
What? Oh my gosh, we're watching it in slow-mo. It's scary.
it's so much funnier in slow-mo. I recommend watching every video in slow-mo.
It's so funny.
It's like,
You practically knocked me over with that pillow. Oh my gosh, look at that blanket.
I still have that blanket.
Seriously? Oh my gosh, that's so funny. I still have that pillow.
Just make you play iPad on
You
it.
never get rid of anything.
Always play with stuffed animals.
I still have
Add a
those.
little drama.
You said add a little drama.
Spend plenty of time giggling.
I kept looking at the camera.
Speak into the microphone. Hello there. Brush your teeth together, like best friends always do.
You're so much taller than me.
I know. I was like here, and now I'm here.
Speak into the microphone.
Hello there.
Brush your teeth together.
Like best friends always do.
Oh my god. That part was so funny because David was knocking on the wall and you were playing with in your head.
Oh, he was, wasn't he?
Yes.
Yeah, so I was like,
That was so funny.
but I wasn't even hitting the wall or my hand. I don't even
Oh my
think I hit my hand.
Oreos? Our picture was so messy.
They're so tiny. And the best way
My
to fall
awkward
asleep is
laugh.
to tell a ghost story. You'll go first. Once there was a girl lost in the forest.
Oh my gosh.
We're just asleep. Oh my god.
We need to recreate us sleeping. We're like this.
Oh my gosh. So now we're gonna react to this bed scene and we're probably gonna need pillows. This is the worst thing. It was just like,
Oh, like this? Yeah. We're just like,
that was so fun to like recreate and watch the video. Just like see everything we did. It was super
I
funny.
didn't remember half of that. So.
I know. It was so funny. You were like banging your head on the wall and we were playing piano.
Yeah.
It was so funny. Well, if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up like Chris said in the video. He was like, thumbs up! Okay, see you guys next time. Bye! You ready? Go. I missed you.